I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
A live clock adds context and time awareness to your Notion pages. Use a clock on dashboards, meeting notes, or habit trackers to stay punctual. Most clocks come from third-party widget sites like Indify, Time, Is, or Widgetbox and require a public widget URL. Grab the widget and customize time zone, format, or size on the provider site before embedding. Then paste the final URL into Notion. This process creates a live, updating clock that improves time management across your workspace. First, customize the widget on Indify, Time, Is, or Widgetbox and copy the public widget URL. Next, open your Notion page and type /embed to create an embed block quickly. Paste the widget URL into the embed field and click Create Embed or press Enter. Resize the embed block using drag handles and toggle full width for desktop dashboards if desired. Lock the block position if needed to prevent accidental moves. Finally, verify time zone and 12-hour versus 24-hour settings. If your embed shows an error, check that the widget URL is publicly accessible and not restricted. Try a different provider if the first one blocks embeds in Notion. On mobile apps, some embeds refresh less frequently, so test the widget on your phone to confirm behavior. For privacy, avoid exposing personal data through custom widgets and keep only the clock element public. To reuse the clock across workspace pages, duplicate a page or copy the embed block into templates and dashboards for consistent time displays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.